Hi Steve, great performance, 4-0 away from home. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I thought we were brilliant from start to finish. I thought we dominated the game in large spells.
Yeah.
And really deserved. It was a really good professional performance.
Yeah.
And really pleased for the lads. We come out, we changed a couple of things, and we dominated the game. Dominated the game and penned them in their half on a difficult pitch. And even on a difficult pitch, we played some superb stuff.
Yeah, it was lovely, lovely football.
Some 1-2 touch football. We scored some decent goals as well. I'm just pleased for the lads.
Yeah, good movement, and it was good to see the goals shared around as well.
Yeah. I think we could have had a couple, if I'm being ultra critical, a couple more first half. But taking nothing away from the lads. They've worked hard for that.
Yeah.
They've done the work. And just pleased.
It was good to see Joel get some time at the end there.
Joel's been doing really well for the 19s. And it's a great opportunity for him to come along on the bench. Deserved his place on the bench, and he done really well when he
looked really quick there as well.
He's tenacious and he's good on the ball. So exciting times.
Well, congratulations, and next game, Llanidloes next week.
Another tough game. We're 2-0 down there, and managed to pull it back. That's another thing pleasing today, a clean sheet.
Yeah.
The last 3 games, clean sheet, and we want to build on that now. And that's where the foundations are built, keeping us strong, tough to beat, because we're going to create chances the way we play.
Yeah.
But we know it's going to be a difficult game next week. We'll do the work in the week, and we'll be ready.
Okay. Cheers, Steve. Thanks for your time.
Ben.